So we got this battery pack out of this power scooter. Had bad batteries, so we're gonna take this apart and change it out. All it should be is screw there. Screw there. And then screw there. And then 2 screws on top. Should come right off. Now it's unscrewed. Here's wires. There's a fuse. 40 amp fuse, and it looks, there's not much to this. I mean, let's see if the fuse is at least good. So I'm checking the voltage on our battery pack because I'm curious. I am 47. Yeah, it's dead. There's the door now. Got this replacement off of Amazon. It's like $30-something. They say it's a direct replacement. Well, we'll find out. Let's see if we even have voltage. Oh yeah, on the meter we had 12.71. So your negative is right here. Your positive, these wire in series. Here's the old one. Really, really worn out. Disconnect your positive. Pull it off. Man, that one's fighting on me a little bit. And just pull your battery out. Because I'm gonna replace this. You'll see, but it has to be in series, so you'll see what I do. So your new battery here is this one says cycle use 14.6. 14.8, we're good. Less than 3.6. Yeah, they're the same battery. So just drop it in. You're going to connect your positive to your positive. We should check probably I really want to check the fuse on this. See if there's any breaks in it. Don't think there's gonna be. Okay, here's another new battery. So we'll slide this off. We want to check the voltage. I like to check things before I do things, you know? .79. Looking good. And you'll see we have positive on this one Negative goes to positive on our other one, and then negative. You'll see. So drop the battery in, like so. You connect your positive. There you go. And then connect your negative. So now we got our setup here. Negative, positive. And they're in. We just put the lid back on this thing. And we're going to want to put our screws in. So to do that, let's start with the side screws first. Oh, you don't want to do that. A little slow. Oh boy. There. And then put a side one on. Done. Got one on the top here. No, there's not real good lighting. One there. And then one on the top. Now, flip it over. We have one there. And one there. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws that hold this in. Turn it back over. Go plug it in the power chair. Got 25 volts, 25.4, that's what we want. I'll charge it up a little bit, I think we're good. Thrift store find. Look at that. It does work. It's charging like it's supposed to, look at that. So that's how you change the battery cell. 2 batteries in one of these. Got this chair, I think, for like $200. Yeah, like a Goodwill. And then like $60 to get it going, and here we are.